Hey everyone, it's Mark here with Nightingale University, and today we're going to look at the movement and motions of our LXO. As with all our XO chair family, the LXO comes with our standardized Enersorb seat cushioning. That disperses the sitter's weight vertically and horizontally for an unmatched sitting experience and support. Also, our patented LXO memory mesh for your back. I'd like to highlight our lumbar support in the LXO. It's actually in sync with the design of the back. You see it's got a pretty severe curve here, and the mesh itself. Those two things, folks, work together to offer an intrinsic built-in lumbar support as you sit. Okay. The arms are height adjustable. Simply a button underneath, they'll lift up for you. Underneath you have a tension control knob for the tilt. This is your tilt lever here. It's a multi-tilter. And on your right hand side is your gas lift. I'm going to show you in a minute how that works, but I just want to highlight too, the LXO is also very popular in a drafting stool height. Both of these versions come with or without arms, and with the Enersorb, it's a fantastic chair for multi-users because again the Enersorb is going to adjust back to its original shape and fit the weight and shape of every user sitting in it. Okay? Now I'll show you all how this works for us. As I mentioned, on your right hand side you have the gas lift which adjusts your height, and so you're going to adjust that accordingly. You have the multi-tilt lever on your left side, and when it's forward you are in a free float or a rocking position. Okay, and I'll show you how it locks into the furthest back spot. Is you get it to where you want it, you pull the lever back, it's going to lock in place. Okay. When you want to release your back, you can see when I push the lever forward it doesn't move. That's because it's a posi back release, which means you have to lean back slightly. You're going to hear a click. There it's released. Again, it rides gently with you as you exit the chair. It doesn't catapult or throw you out. Now, if you're needing more leg support in your seat, this has a back depth adjustment. And quite simply, folks, there's a knob underneath here. You simply turn it to the left to loosen it, and then you'll see how the back comes back for you and gives you about a 2-inch further width to sit on in your chair seat. Okay, and I'll just put that back to show you how easy that works. And there we have our LXO. You can actually get it with black mesh. This is our silver mesh and our chrome, but you can get it standard in graphite. And it's the LXO, and it's our #2 selling chair, and just an unbeatable task chair for everyday use. Thanks for your time, and we'll look forward to seeing you on nightingalechairs.com if you'd like some more information on our LXO. Thank you.